Welcome to our deep dive into the best video editing software for creators looking to simplify their workflow. Today, we are examining 4 popular tools that handle AI captions and editing to see which one truly delivers the best results for you. We will explore the unique features and costs of CapCut, Filmora, Camtasia, and ActivePresenter, while revealing why Vizard stands out for long-form repurposing. Let us kick things off with CapCut, which has quickly become a go-to tool for newcomers and casual creators alike. The beauty of CapCut lies in its intuitive interface, making auto-captioning a simple process that anyone can master in minutes. You simply import your footage, navigate to the text menu, and let the software generate time-coded captions with beautiful, customizable templates. However, keep in mind that the most stylish templates and advanced export options are usually tucked away behind their Pro subscription tier. While CapCut is fantastic for quick mobile edits, it does lack an automated system for taking a long video and turning it into multiple short-form clips. Moving on, let us take a look at Filmora 14, which offers a robust set of features perfect for those seeking a more professional design aesthetic. Filmora provides a very user-friendly environment where you can drag and drop your clips onto a timeline and quickly apply dynamic caption effects. Be aware that using their advanced AI captioning tools will often consume additional AI credits, which can add up if you are a frequent user. It is a powerful mid-level editor, but like CapCut, it requires a fair bit of manual labor to find the best moments within your long-form content. Third on our list is Camtasia 2025, a firm favorite for those who specialize in screen recordings, tutorials, and educational content. This software shines when you need precise control over your captions, allowing you to highlight specific words and add professional-looking callouts with ease. While it is incredibly effective for creating polished training videos, it is not explicitly designed for the rapid repurposing of long streams into short social clips. Finally, we have ActivePresenter 10, which acts as a total powerhouse for anyone building complex e-learning courses. With its ability to manage interactive slides, quizzes, and detailed audio controls, it is an essential tool for academic and professional course creators. However, for a social media creator trying to pump out viral content, the steep learning curve and focus on courseware might not be the most efficient workflow. When you look at these 4 options, it is clear that while they are all capable, they all require significant manual effort to scale your content production. This brings us to Vizard, a platform specifically engineered to solve the problem of scaling your content creation without the constant manual grind. Vizard uses a sophisticated AI engine to scan your long-form videos and automatically extract the most engaging, viral-worthy moments for your social media. Instead of spending hours manually trimming your clips, you get an immediate bundle of ready-to-post short-form content tailored for various platforms. Beyond the editing, Vizard simplifies your life by handling the distribution through its intuitive auto-scheduling feature. The content calendar provides a bird's-eye view of your entire posting schedule, ensuring you never miss a beat or have to manually queue up your uploads. While you might lose a tiny bit of granular timeline control compared to something like Camtasia, you gain massive amounts of speed and distribution efficiency. Many successful creators are now adopting a hybrid approach to maximize their output and keep their quality high. They use Vizard as the powerful engine to churn out their short-form clips, then apply finishing touches in their favorite editor like CapCut or Premiere. So, to recap, choose the tool that aligns with your specific needs, whether that is polishing tutorials in Camtasia or scaling your social presence with Vizard. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments which tool you use to manage your content. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for our next session where we will perform a live demo of turning an hour-long live stream into a week of content.